Hello friends, welcome to our channel Let's Solve It. So in today's video, I am going to teach you how to solve this cube. So let's see the basic movements first. So this cube moves diagonally. You don't have U, D, B such algorithms. You have only two basic algorithms, R, R prime, L and L prime. So without wasting any time, let's start solving. So like the standard 3x3 cube, you always have orange opposite of red, yellow opposite of white and blue opposite of green. So this is the standard form. So but in this cube you can see that you have red adjacent to orange. You can have this with any other colors, like you have green adjacent to blue. So here you need to make sure that the colors are opposite to each other. So you need to choose any one color. I prefer white. And so the first step is you need to solve these white corners, and you need to make sure that they form a layer here. Irrespective of this center piece, you need to make this a layer. So first we'll search for white pieces. So we have them here one and here one. So to get white here, there is a trick. So if you want to get a white here, instead of this yellow piece, if you want to get a white here, you need to get the white face either on this green side instead of this green, or instead of this green. So if there is white here, you can just observe, you can just do L prime and this green comes here. Or else, if you consider this green, if you just do R, it comes here. So this is the trick. If you want to get a white here, you need to either have white here or here. So we need to search for such pieces. So you can see I have white here. So I will take this white here by the trick, and now it is connected. So now since we have to make a layer, we need to make sure that red comes here and green comes here. So we'll search for red and white piece. So it is here. We have white here and red here. So this needs to come here. So as per the trick, you need to have this white face here or here. So we'll try. If we get it here, it should be on this side, but it is on the other side. So let's try it this way. Even here, this piece is below instead of being here. So what we can do is we can take it to either one side, it doesn't matter. And now since we need to get it here, we'll just flip this. We'll just do one R. Since we bought it from up, we bought it to our right side. We'll take this R and one more R. So you can see the white which was previously here has come here. Now by the trick we can solve this, and you can see we have solved this red. Now we need to get blue here. So you can see we have white here and blue here. So this is at the perfect position. So we'll just flip it, turn it right, and you can see we have got this layer. Now we need to get orange here and green here and white here. So there is only one piece, so it is also in its perfect position. You have to just do L prime. So you can see we have solved this white face and we have formed this layer. So let's proceed to the further algorithm. So next we have solved this white, so we need to get yellow here. Remember the opposite colors. So we need to get a yellow center here. So this is the first step. To solve the yellow, we need to first get these corners and then we'll get the center. So here you need to remember one formula to solve the whole cube now. So basically we are going to get this right face down, then left face down, then right face up and left face up. So you need to remember this formula: down, down, up, up. So we'll apply it: right side down, left side down, right side up and left side up. So we didn't get these corners, so we'll again apply it: right side down, left side down, right side up and left side up. So as you can see now, there were two yellow corners here previously, but they are also not there. So in such a condition, you need to search where these two form a layer. So there is only one here, there is no yellow here, there is only one yellow here, and there are two yellows here. So these two yellows, we need to keep it on our right side and then again apply the formula. Right side down, left side down, right side up, and left side up. So you can see we have solved these corners. So our next step, we need to get a yellow center. So we'll search for it, and it is here. So in this condition, we need to keep this yellow center away from us. So we need to keep it on this side and apply the formula. Right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. So we did not get it, you will not get it. So now after this, with the same position, you need to just turn the cube 180 degrees. Okay, we had applied the formula and we'll turn it 180 degrees, and again the same formula. Right side down, left side down, right side up, and left side up. So you can see we have solved this yellow and we have this white unshuffled. So we have just solved our yellow and we have aligned all the corners. We can see we have even solved one color. So here you can see that these two pieces are adjacent and they are not solved. But here even these two centers are adjacent, but one of them is solved. So in this such a situation, what we need to do is the two sides which are not solved and the opposites are adjacent to each other. Like this blue face and this orange face is not solved, and the centers which are placed in them, this orange and red, they are adjacent, which should be actually opposite. So we'll apply the same algorithm. So we'll keep this side towards ourselves. So green is solved, so we'll keep it to the bottom. The solved color, we keep it to the bottom, and these two adjacent faces, we'll keep this red one towards ourselves because these two should be opposite but they are adjacent. So we'll do this: right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up, and then again as we did for the yellow, we'll just flip it and again do the formula: right side down, left side down, right side up, left side up. So you can see we have solved our cube. So I hope you understood how to solve this, and for more cube related content, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.